Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget, like this video and subscribe.
The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of power, elegance, and limitless imagination. When engineering excellence meets architectural ambition, something extraordinary is born, and this motorhome stands as proof. Designed to push beyond traditional RV boundaries, it blends the prestige of Mercedes performance with the grandeur of luxury estate living. The result is a rolling masterpiece that transforms highways into private boulevards and campsites into royal courtyards. This is a vehicle crafted for those who refuse to compromise. For individuals who understand that true luxury means never having to choose between adventure and comfort, between exploration and extravagance at first glance. The presence of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is absolutely commanding. Built on a reinforced heavy-duty Mercedes truck platform, the front end carries the unmistakable three-pointed star, symbolizing heritage, innovation, and performance. The aerodynamic cab flows seamlessly into an extended luxury body that redefines scale and imagination. It is bold yet refined, powerful yet elegant. Every curve is sculpted with purpose, balancing efficiency with prestige. The exterior finish gleams with a sophistication that announces its arrival long before it passes by, commanding respect and admiration from everyone who witnesses it on the road. What makes this motorhome truly remarkable is its architectural inspiration. Rather than following the traditional box-style RV structure, this design embraces the look of a grand European mansion on wheels. Multiple arched windows, sculpted balconies, decorative pillars, and symmetrical rooflines create the illusion of a classical estate transported onto a mobile platform. It is a fusion of modern automotive engineering and timeless luxury architecture. This is not simply transportation. It is a traveling palace that carries the dignity and majesty of old-world estates into the modern era. The design team has managed to capture the essence of palatial living while maintaining the practical functionality required for cross-country travel. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is powered by a high-performance turbo diesel engine engineered for endurance and strength. Mercedes has long been known for producing engines that combine smooth delivery with impressive torque, and this motorhome continues that tradition with unwavering commitment to excellence. Despite its size and grandeur, acceleration feels confident and controlled, never labored or hesitant. The advanced automatic transmission ensures seamless gear transitions, while the intelligent suspension system absorbs road imperfections with remarkable smoothness. Whether climbing mountain passes or cruising through open desert highways, the performance remains consistently impressive, demonstrating that size and power can coexist harmoniously with refinement and grace. Driving a motorhome of this scale might sound intimidating, but Mercedes integrates advanced driver assistance systems to ensure maximum safety and confidence behind the wheel. Adaptive cruise control maintains optimal distance on highways, automatically adjusting speed to match traffic flow. Lane keeping assist gently corrects steering if necessary, preventing unintended drift. Blind spot monitoring enhances awareness of surrounding vehicles, while a comprehensive 360-degree camera system simplifies maneuvering and parking in tight spaces. The reinforced chassis and braking system ensure stability even under full load conditions, providing drivers with the assurance they need to navigate confidently through any terrain or traffic situation. Step inside, and the transformation is breathtaking. The interior design reflects a deep understanding of both luxury and comfort, combining aesthetic beauty with practical functionality. From the moment the door opens, you are welcomed into an environment that feels more like a luxury villa than a vehicle. High ceilings create a sense of openness rarely found in motorhomes, eliminating any feeling of confinement or claustrophobia. Polished marble-style flooring, handcrafted wood accents, and premium leather furnishings elevate the atmosphere instantly, creating a living space that rivals the finest residential interiors. The main living area is expansive and elegantly arranged with careful attention to flow and function. Plush sofas line the sides, positioned around a large entertainment system with a high-definition smart display that brings cinematic quality to every viewing experience. Integrated surround sound transforms movie nights into true cinematic experiences, immersing occupants in rich, dynamic audio. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the space during the day, creating a bright and uplifting atmosphere, while ambient LED lighting sets a warm, inviting tone at night. The combination of architectural design and automotive innovation creates a unique living environment that feels grounded yet mobile, permanent yet free. The dining area is equally impressive, designed to accommodate both casual family meals and more formal dinner gatherings. A custom-crafted dining table sits beneath an ornate ceiling design, offering generous space for multiple guests. The detailing in the ceiling lighting reflects a blend of classical inspiration and modern LED efficiency, creating dramatic visual interest overhead. Every material used inside the motorhome is chosen for durability without compromising luxury. Soft-touch surfaces, precision stitching, and carefully finished cabinetry highlight Mercedes' unwavering commitment to excellence in every detail. The kitchen area rivals high-end residential spaces in both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and deep stainless steel sink, it allows for complete culinary freedom on the road. Quartz countertops provide generous workspace for meal preparation, while custom cabinets offer ample storage for cookware, dishes, and provisions. Integrated smart appliances optimize energy use, ensuring efficiency whether connected to shore power or operating off-grid. Preparing gourmet meals becomes a pleasure rather than a compromise, allowing travelers to maintain their culinary standards regardless of location. The master bedroom suite is designed for total relaxation and restorative rest. A king-size bed with premium mattress support sits centrally, surrounded by built-in wardrobes and overhead storage that maximize organization without cluttering the space. Soft lighting and insulated walls ensure a peaceful sleeping environment regardless of external conditions. Large windows with privacy shades offer scenic views by day and complete darkness by night, accommodating different sleep preferences. The bedroom feels private and serene, strategically separated from the main living area to enhance comfort and create distinct zones within the motorhome. The bathroom is designed with luxury and practicality in mind. A spacious glass-enclosed shower provides a spa-like experience, complemented by a modern vanity sink with illuminated mirror and efficient toilet system. Water systems are engineered for extended travel, featuring large freshwater storage tanks and efficient waste management systems that allow for days of independent operation. Temperature-controlled water ensures comfort in all climates, delivering consistent performance whether parked in freezing mountains or tropical beaches. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome experience, seamlessly integrating convenience with sophistication. A centralized digital control panel manages lighting, climate, security, water systems, and energy usage with intuitive touch controls. Integrated solar panels on the roof provide renewable energy support, paired with high-capacity battery storage systems for genuine off-grid independence. Built-in Wi-Fi and satellite connectivity allow travelers to remain connected to the digital world, making it ideal for remote work or entertainment streaming without sacrificing adventure. Climate control systems ensure year-round comfort regardless of external weather conditions. Advanced insulation combined with intelligent heating and cooling systems maintains a stable interior temperature with minimal energy consumption. Whether parked in snowy mountains or under the intense summer sun, the interior remains comfortable and energy efficient. Double-glazed windows reduce noise and improve thermal performance, creating a quiet sanctuary that shields occupants from the outside world while allowing them to enjoy its beauty through crystal-clear views. Exterior storage compartments provide substantial space for outdoor equipment, travel gear, and personal belongings, ensuring that everything needed for extended journeys can be brought along without cluttering interior living spaces. Slide-out sections expand interior living space when parked, creating even more room for relaxation and movement. A retractable awning extends outward, forming a shaded outdoor lounge area perfect for gatherings, alfresco dining, or peaceful evenings under the stars. The driving experience blends raw power with sophisticated refinement in ways that defy the motorhome's substantial dimensions. Despite its grand structure, the motorhome feels balanced and stable on the road. Steering remains responsive and precise, and road noise is minimized thanks to advanced sound insulation that creates a serene cabin environment. The elevated driver's position offers exceptional visibility of the road ahead and surrounding traffic, making long-distance travel more comfortable and less tiring for whoever sits behind the wheel. Beyond features and specifications, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome represents a lifestyle philosophy that embraces both freedom and elegance. It embodies the idea that luxury should never be sacrificed for adventure, and that exploration should never mean settling for less. Owners are not limited to traditional travel routines or confined by conventional expectations. Instead of booking luxury resorts and planning around fixed accommodations, they bring the resort with them wherever they go. Wake up beside pristine lakes, dense forests, secluded beaches, or majestic mountains, all while enjoying five-star comfort that never wavers. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome stands as a symbol of innovation, luxury, and boundless possibility. It is not simply a way to travel. It is a way to live without limits, carrying elegance and comfort wherever the road may lead, transforming every journey into an unforgettable experience.